Due to the global pandemic of the novel coronavirus, dozens of countries are facing lockdown, so WHO has launched 4 megatrials, which includes chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir, lopinavir, and ritonavir. Why WHO have chosen these drugs and neglected others? There is a reason behind this. Now, talking about the first drug in the list is chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine is less active and less toxic than chloroquine. Both the drugs are used to treat malaria and autoimmune disease, like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. In lab, both the drug block the virus, including SARS-CoV-2, from getting inside the cell placed in a petri dish, and therefore prevent infection. But outside the lab, chloroquine has not been demonstrated to have profound effect at preventing the disease. Caution to be observed with chloroquine, as it has significant side effects in certain people and can also block immune response. The second drug in the list is lopinavir and ritonavir. Lopinavir and ritonavir are the combination of drugs used against HIV. Lopinavir specifically blocks the key viral proteins called proteases. But lopinavir is quickly broken down in the human body by our own proteases. So it is given with low levels of ritonavir, another protease inhibitor. That lets lopinavir persist longer. Lopinavir and ritonavir has also been shown to be effective against SARS-CoV-2 in lab cell, as well as in mice, and being tested alongside as an alternative drug called interferon beta. However, further studies suggest that these hopes suffered a significant setback. One of the first major studies of 200 serious ill patients from China finding no benefits. The study is not the end of the road. It is possible that the drug could be effective if given earlier on or less severely ill patients. The next drug WHO chosen is remdesivir. Remdesivir is an intravenous antiviral drug that was developed to fight against Ebola. And it is also one of the drugs the WHO is helping to investigate. The recent studies show that it works against SARS and MERS, 2 other coronaviruses that are more lethal but less transmissible. The drug works by shutting off the virus's ability to replicate itself inside the cells. That means it is most likely to be effective when a person has just caught the bug and the virus is still reproducing in the upper respiratory tract. Remdesivir has already been shown work against SARS-CoV-2 in lab and as well as in mice. Remdesivir has already been used in some countries, like USA, to treat patients and appears safe, but large trials are needed. The first COVID-19 patient diagnosed in USA was a young man from Washington who was given remdesivir when his condition worsened. He improved the very next day. This was from the case report by New England Journal of Medicine. Such evidence from individual cases does not prove a drug is safe and effective. Still further studies and trials are required. But why is it taking too long to create a new drug or to modify the drug? Here is the reason behind this. New drug goes to clinical trial. This involves testing the drug in a controlled manner in animals first, then on humans, in order to identify any side effects and to decide the drug is safe and effective. Testing drugs on humans has many phases. Drug development follows a process with 3 stages. Stage 1. The preclinical stage. It includes discovery, animal testing, and patent application. Stage 2. The clinical stage, which includes 4 phases. Phase 1. Small-scale trials in healthy individuals. Phase 2. Medium-scale trails on suffers, the drug is aimed for. Phase 3. Large-scale trails on suffers, the drug is aimed for. And application for the drug to be licensed is made. Phase 4. The drug is licensed and prescribed for genuine use. Stage 3. The post-market surveillance. This happens when it is used by the general population. On average, it takes 12 years for the drug to be licensed. It takes so long because the testing involved is extensive, large-scale, rigorous, and carried out on large number of individuals. All of this is done in order to guarantee the safety and effectiveness of the drug. So, the key factor for the people is patience. That is the end of the video, guys. If you find this video helpful at any point, please subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any doubt on the topic, please comment down below. I will react to each and every comments. Let us meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.